In 2026, making money with AI is no longer about being a tech genius. It is about using the right tools in the right way. Some people are using AI to write faster. Some are creating videos. Some are selling design services. And some are building full income streams around simple AI workflows. But here's the truth. Most people are still doing it the wrong way. They keep chasing easy money tools. They test everything. They master nothing. And in the end, they make nothing. So in this video, I'm going to show you 5 AI tools that can actually help you make money in 2026. Not with hype, not with fake promises, but with real use cases that normal people can start with. Let's begin. Number 5, Canva AI. Canva AI is one of the easiest tools to start with. Why? Because businesses always need content. They need social media posts, they need flyers, they need presentations, they need thumbnails, they need short videos, and most of them do not want to create these things themselves. That is where Canva AI becomes powerful. It helps you design faster, it gives you layouts, it helps with text, it speeds up content creation, and that means you can turn a slow service into a fast service. Here's one simple example. A small business wants 15 Instagram posts for the month. Without AI, that takes time. With Canva AI, you can build to the content much faster, clean it up, make it look professional, and sell it as a package. You are not selling Canva, you are selling a result. That result could be better branding, more content, faster delivery, and a better online presence. And that is what clients pay for. So if you are a beginner, Canva AI is one of the best places to start. Simple skill, simple service, real demand. Number 4, 11 Labs. This tool is all about voice, and voice is money. Think about how much content today needs narration, YouTube videos, TikToks, ads, training videos, audiobooks, product explainers, podcast intros. Now, think about how many people want good voiceovers without hiring expensive voice actors every single time. That is where 11 Labs comes in. You can use it to create high quality voiceovers for content. And this opens the door to different ways of making money. You can offer voiceover services. You can create faceless YouTube videos. You can help brands make ad creatives. You can even create audio content in multiple languages. For example, a client gives you a script. You turn it into a polished voiceover, pair it with visuals, and now you are not just selling audio. You are selling a finished content product. That is more valuable. And here's the key lesson. The more complete your offer is, the more money you can charge. Not just, I use AI voices, but I create ready to publish video content. That sounds different, because it is different. Number 3, ChatGPT. This is still one of the most useful AI tools for making money because it helps with writing, planning, research, scripting, idea generation, and even client work. But this is where most people get confused. They think ChatGPT makes money by itself. It doesn't. ChatGPT becomes profitable when you use it to improve a service. For example, you can use it to write YouTube scripts. You can use it to create email sequences. You can use it to make product descriptions. You can use it to outline blog posts. You can use it to build content calendars. You can even use it to help with customer support systems. Let's say a coach needs 30 days of content ideas. Instead of spending hours thinking from scratch, you use ChatGPT to generate ideas, organize them, improve them, and turn them into a clean content package. Now you can sell that package. Again, the money is not in the tool. The money is in the outcome. That is the pattern. You need to understand in 2026, AI does not replace value. It helps you create value faster. And if you learn how to prompt properly, edit properly, and package properly, ChatGPT can become one of your best money-making tools. Number 2, Sora. Video is already dominating the internet. And in 2026, that is only becoming bigger. Brands want short videos, creators want better visuals, agencies want faster production, everyone wants attention. But traditional video creation takes time. It takes planning, it takes shooting, it takes editing, and often it takes money. Sora changes that. It helps create video content from ideas much faster, and that creates opportunity. You can use it to make concept videos, promo visuals, story clips, ad mockups, creative demos, background footage. This is especially powerful for faceless channels. Cuts, because now, instead of struggling to find the right visuals for every scene, You can create visuals that match your script more closely. That saves time. And better videos usually mean better retention. And better retention means better growth. And better growth means more money. You can also sell this as a service. For example, a brand wants ad ideas, but does not want a full production shoot yet. You can create visual concept drafts using AI video tools and help them test ideas before spending more money. That is useful. And useful skills get paid. Number 1, Claude. And no, this one is not always the most talked about, but for making money, it can be one of the smartest tools to use. Why? Because Claude is strong when the work gets deeper. Not just quick content, not just short captions, but real thinking work. The kind of work clients often pay more for. Things like summarizing long documents, turning messy notes into clean reports, creating proposals, organizing research, drafting training material, and building polished business documents. This matters because higher paying work usually comes from solving more serious problems. For example, imagine a client sends you pages of notes, meeting ideas, rough thoughts, and half-finished plans. Most people get overwhelmed, but if you can take that mess and turn it into something clear, useful, and professional, that becomes a strong service. That could be a project summary, a client proposal, a training guide, a business plan draft, a T, or a structured report. And these kinds of tasks often pay more than simple content work. So if you want to move beyond beginner level AI income, Claude is a very smart tool to learn because clarity is valuable and businesses pay for clarity. So those were the top 5 AI tools that can make you money in 2026. Canva AI for design services, 11 Labs for voice and faceless content, ChatGPT for writing and service delivery, Sora for faster video creation, Claude for deeper, higher value client work. But let's end with the most important point. No AI tool is going to make you rich just because you opened it. The winners in 2026 will not be the people using the most tools. They will be the people who learn one tool, build one useful skill, and turn it into one clear offer. That is how money is made, not by doing everything, but by doing one thing well. So pick one from this list, learn it properly, use it to solve a real problem, and start there because AI is growing fast. But the real opportunity is not in watching it happen, it is in using it before everyone else gets serious. If you enjoyed this video, subscribe and press the bell icon to keep notified for more simple AI content, online business ideas, and real ways to use these tools to grow. See you in the next one.